Okay, I just show you my brand new laptop. Also, it's my first SP laptop. And I just show you as I unbox it. Now we're going to do the next step together. Okay, what they have for me in the box. They give me this one, question, questions about this product. They put in the shiny, flashy bag, seal it. What they have? Okay, here you can see. Connect with SP customer support, and let us help you every step of the way. And that's included with your products. Open the HP support assistant, visit us online, give us a call, ask the community, tweet us, post on Facebook. And next is extended your coverage with HP Care, additional protection to offset the unexpected. And that's one, our smart hackers, viruses, and digital disaster. We hope you enjoyed your new device for the long time. That I hope so too. And this is printed in China. And this one language, I have no idea. I think it's Spanish, probably. Also, they have the little handbook, the little clip. Actually, it's not handbook, only 4 pages, a little tiny space. SP Worldwide Limited Warranty and Technical Support. Oh man, I cannot read. Sorry. I put on a camcorder here. If you want to read, just read it. Or you can zoom it bigger so you can read it. I can't. Now I can also, I can see it. I can see the limited warranty period. That's because it's the bold letters, and the general terms, exclusions, product specific exclusion, rechargeable batteries, HP printing products, exclusive remedy. No, I guess that's, yeah, I think so. Limitation of liability. HP options and accessories, limited warranty. Display section, they have digital system display, monitors, multimedia monitor, NPC bundle, something. Okay, never mind. Just customer responsibility. Tire and that section is tires hardware warranty services. Customer cell repair warranty service. In this section, they have advanced units replacement warranty service, pickup and warning service, carry-in warranty service, bring-in warranty service, send-in and return warranty service. On-site warranty service. And next one, swap warranty service. And next section, response times. response times, and next one is service upgrade. Next is the included software, and that's a complimentary limited technical support. In that section they have freeware and open source operating system and application, and how to check warranty and support entitlement, contact an HP, and that's the printed in China. And this is for the warranty, limited warranty and technical support. And next pieces is we need this. Set up instruction, the front and back page. One page here, you have to hook up the power board, power battery, like the computer to power outlet. Number 2, press the button here to turn the computer on, and that's select the network icon in the lower right. In the lower right corner of the taskbar, and then connect to one of the available network. And next, your computer has a pre-installed battery. Before you press the power button to turn on the computer for the first time, make sure that the AC adapter is connected to the computer. So we have to hook up this into the computer, and we press the button to turn on the computer for the first time. Make sure that the AC adapter is connected to the computer. Here is for information about this computer, and I'm sure I will. Okay. They mark here where number 1, number 2. Number 1 is WLAN antennas. Number 2, internal microphone right here. That's meant right here, and I think right here too. And number 2, 3 is the camera light. Number 3, camera light here. That's meant right here. Number 4, camera light is right here, and camera here. Backlight key. Number 5 is around here, I think. Let me see. Number 6, the volume mute button. Now, here there's a keyboard light, keyboard backlight key, and there's a volume mute button and light. Number 7, airplane mode. 7, airplane mode right here. Number 8 is the speaker. Number 8 is speaker. It's kind of close to number 5. Is speaker right here, I think. The number speaker, they have 2. One more over here. No, never mind. Some wrong speaker right here. Over here, there's 1, and over here 1 to 2. Number 9, lock key. Number 9, lock key right here. Number 10 is the right touchpad button. Number 10, right here. Right touchpad button. Number 7, left touchpad button. And number 12, touching pad on. Partition is here, number 12. Touch partition, number 13. Window key. Window key right here. Number 14. Cap lock key and light. Number 14. Cap lock key and light is right here. Number 15. Power button. 15 power button is right here. Okay, as they show here. On the side, on the left side, this one HDMI port. Next one, this one is RJ45 network jack starter light. Next is number 18 USB Type C port. And next one is 19 is a dry lights. No, dry light. Number 20 is right here. It's the audio out headphone, audio in microphone combo jack. And that is on the left side. Yes. On the right side, let's start with the number 21 is right here. This is a memory card reader. 22 right here is security cable slot. Number 23 here is a USB port. And next one, number 24 is a AC adapter and battery light. Right. Number 24. Now right here. No, I'm wrong. There are two USB ports here. This is 23. 24 is AC adapter and battery light. And next one is a 25 power connector. That's all the note here they have here. And you can find more information on Windows D. To learn more about Windows and access help topic, select a start button and then select tips and get help. Here. Require network connection to access the user guides. Select the start button and select HP help and support and then select HP documentation. Or to access the user guides, select the start button, select HP and then select HP documentation. For the Linux products, to access the user guides, double click on HP documents icons on the desktop. And for the free DOS products, to access the user guide, select SP document on the boot menu. And they have a little here note here. You do not need to connect to the internet to access the user guides. To view the user guides on the web, go to hp.com/support and follow instructions to find your product. Then select user guides. A user guide that is included in some product, and this information to product of China are printed in China. And that is the front page. On the back page of this one, Windows start screen. Yeah, determining on your product, you can use the keyboard and mouse or touchpad or touch screen to navigate the Windows start screen. File setting, select the start button and then select the setting icon that looks like the wheel. Shut down your computer, select the start button, select the power icon, and then select shutdown. And display the start menu, select the start button in the lower left hand corner of taskbar. Search in the taskbar search bar, begin typing the name of an app, setting, files, internet topic. Next is the choice between open apps. Select the task view icon.